Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking Up Claire, my cooking show that will hopefully help you brush up in the kitchen, allow me to grow my cooking skills, and give us a community to learn from each other. Now, it has come to my attention that you may have a sudden stockpile of non-perishable food items, such as beans. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I don't like beans. I don't know what to do with beans. I don't even know why we got 3 bags of black-eyed peas. But here we are. So today we are making black-eyed pea hummus. You can make this with pretty much any type of bean, so if you have black beans or anything else, just swap them out. In a food processor, I'm combining 4 cups of black-eyed peas, 5 cloves of garlic, but you can sub 4 if you prefer a little less garlicky flavor, 1/3 cup of tahini, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, the juice of 2 lemons, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Turn your food processor on and blend until it becomes a choppy paste. I know, this isn't what you're expecting, but I promise we're getting there. Scrape the sides, cover with the lid, and pour in 1/2 cup of olive oil while the food processor is running. This is what's going to help emulsify the mixture. To help give it a creamy consistency, pour in about 1 to 1.5 cups of water while the food processor is running. Give it a taste and adjust based on your preferences. I added some extra garlic powder and paprika right at the end, but that's because I like a little extra seasoning. Give it 1 extra drizzle of olive oil and enjoy. And stop stockpiling. I hope that all of you guys give this a try. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram or Facebook at Cooking Up Claire. And don't forget to leave a comment and hit the notification bell below to see all of my upcoming videos. And with that, I'll see you next time on Cooking Up Claire.